That one single day, that one day you didn't rise could have set you back I don't know how long. Don't allow your emotions to control you. If you don't discipline and manage your emotions, they will control you. And you're going to go all out to achieve it. It won't be easy when you want to change. It's not easy. If it were easy, everyone would do it. But if you're serious, you'll go all out. I'm in charge here. I'm not going to let this get me down. I'm not going to let this defeat me. I'm bouncing back. And I'll emerge stronger and better because of it. This is what you stand for. Take full ownership of your life. Acknowledge where you are and the responsibility to take yourself where you want to go. You can decide that I'm going to live each day as if it were my last. Live your life with enthusiasm, with determination. Decide that you're going to push yourself. The final chapter of your life has not yet been written, and yesterday's events don't matter. What matters is, what are you going to do about it? This year, I will turn this goal into reality. I won't just talk about it. I can. Perseverance, I believe, is vital for everyone. Don't give up. Don't give in. There's always a solution to everything.